Hi guys. Concerns with CP, 11 months. Okay, first of all, too many windows have been passed. Independent sitting should have been at 5.5 months, not at 9 months. I can tell you right now while we're army crawling. She cannot. The rolling over was a bear. Didn't grab the feet properly. Independent sitting was behind. Coming to sitting should have been at 6.5 months. I can tell you right now she cannot come to sitting through her back. These are two separate milestones, not the same. And then on top of that, now because of that, she rolls to belly, hardly gets any air, and only army crawls. She cannot go from sitting into all fours and back again. That would be crawling. And this is where the deviations are happening. I would need to see a couple more videos to tell you what flavor you're going at with the cerebral palsy, but the cerebral palsy is organizing. However, you're not going to get diagnosed, and that's through neurology with an MRI at about 18 months. What happens now, it should have been at 9 months. So you need to, first of all, a better pediatrician. However, what people don't realize is you're waiting for the pediatrician to tell you what's up. They do not study this in school. They're there for medical. They're not there for behavioral health. That's a whole different animal. And so when the child's not sickly or anything like that, they're not going to get bumped up or referred out. Yeah, you can go the traditional route of physio, but what you have to do is you have to do movement lesson. What's not presenting whatsoever is her rotation. I can tell you right now, you'd start with the newborn movement assessment. I know she's 11 months, but you can see where the rotation is off within her system. I'm also looking at the possible brachial injury within the shoulder region, but I can't tell that because I only have videos of army crawling. So if you can send me a couple more videos and I can really break down where everything is going, but really you need a better foundation, I would say, is rolling over, grabbing the feet, and pubic bone strike going into the sitting. So we need to back up milestones and get a better foundation so she can be more successful, and I would go that route. Yes, there's early intervention, but I'm telling you right now, they're going to go after muscle. And right now we have to go after transitional movements. And that's where it's the failure is a transition. Thanks.